In this video, we're going to write two functions, formatName and toListing. Many of the steps in the function design recipe have been done for us. So the first thing that we need to do is fill in some example uses of both formatName and toListing. If we call formatName on a first name like David and a last name like Liu, then what we expect to get is a new string in this format, where the last name comes first, then a comma, then the first name. So I expect this to output Liu, comma, David. What about toListing? Here, the function toListing takes three arguments: a first name, a last name, and a phone number. And then what it returns is another string in this format: the last name, followed by a comma, followed by the first name, followed by a colon, followed by the phone number. So in this case, it would return the string Liu, comma, David, colon, 5553378. With this in mind, let's write the body of formatName. This function body can be written in one line using string concatenation. All we need to do is arrange the parts of the output string, last name, comma, first name, in the right order. Return last, and then a comma and space, and then first. What about toListing? Well, I could write something very similar to the first function, where I arrange the arguments, first, last, and phone, in the proper locations in the output string. That strategy might look something like return last plus the comma plus first plus the colon plus phone. But I noticed this repeated work that I do here that I just did in formatName. So when I see that I have some of the same code that I wrote for formatName, this is a trigger that maybe I should use the formatName function in the body of toListing. How do I do that? Simply by calling formatName in place of last plus comma plus first. So instead of doing this, I'm going to write return formatName of first and last plus the colon plus the phone number. Now let's run that. Let me check formatName first. That seems to work properly. And now let me check toListing. And again, seems to work properly. Awesome.